Hello again, YouTube. My name is AlphaAlph, and welcome to the 6th episode of AlphaAlph's Small Business Guide to YouTube. This time we go into the InVideo Programming as well as explore the creation tools that YouTube gives us. So let's get started with my Team Gridlock YouTube channel, and let's head into the Video Manager. So as the Video Manager page loads up, you're not going to be clicking on the video this time. You're going to be paying attention to the left side menu, in particular the Channel Settings tab. And when you click on that Channel Settings tab, you're going to be looking at the Features submenu. You're going to see everything you're green lighted for, as well as some other features such as your monetization, so you can make money by having people advertise on your YouTube channel. You also have the longer videos, so you can make them longer than 15 minutes. You also have external annotations, where you have annotations you can click on to visit other websites other than YouTube. You also have custom thumbnails, paid subscription, content ID appeals. There's just a whole lot of features on there that's a lot to get into for just one video. But don't you worry, I'll cover monetization at least in a future episode. So let's get to the InVideo program. So the first thing you want to pay attention to will be the Add a Watermark feature. This is YouTube's way of helping you brand every single one of your videos by having a watermark in the top left corner. You can make this logo in Paint, Photoshop, etc., and it helps give a more unique feeling to your videos, making sure that it is yours. After that, you get to go to the Feature a Video or Playlist. This is pretty much a way to help promote the newer videos that you have here. So when you click on that button right there, you can actually go to your videos that you've uploaded, choose one of them. I'll choose the latest Casual Series match as an example. Once that loads up, you get to see what it looks like. By default settings, it's going to appear at the end of the video for 10 seconds. Now, even though this is the default view of it, you can customize this however you want. You can customize it from saying how long it will appear, when it will appear, and even type in the custom message saying, hey, we have a new Casual Series match, why don't you check it out? When you're done, feel free to just click on that update button, but if not, you don't like it, click on that remove button, and boom, you're back to normal. Now that we are done with the InVideo programming, let's move on to the creation tools. Now for creation tools, the first thing that you see will pop up will be the audio library. Now you can utilize any of this music for your videos and download them for free. As you can see, there's a long list of songs to choose from in the YouTube audio library. From Daisy Dukes to the Moonlight Sonata, you have access to all of these songs by just clicking on that download button or favorite them for future use in the Favorites tab. Now let's move on to the video editor. This video editor is pretty much an online version of Windows Movie Maker. So the first thing you see is all the video content you uploaded to YouTube so far. You can utilize this to put multiple clips into one video. The next tab is the Creative Commons tab, where news organizations on YouTube can utilize these clips in between segments. You can also put in photos, where you can upload photos straight from your desktop. Audio, where you see some of the songs from the YouTube audio library. You also have access to transitions in between clips or even introducing a clip, as well as any titles you want to include in the video. So now let's actually give you an example of utilizing every single one of these tabs. For the online video library, it's pretty straightforward. You just drag and drop the clip into the timeline, and then boom, you have a combined video of two different clips. Let's move into the Creative Commons, where we're actually going to take a clip and add it to our video timeline. So you just click on the video as I see there, and as I move the cursor over to the end of the first video, it will transition right into the B-roll clip. Of course, considering online storage from either your own YouTube gallery or YouTube's own B-roll gallery, it will take a while for the B-roll clip to load up. Now, of course, when it does load up, it's usually 10 to 15 seconds. And of course, if you don't want to have that B-roll clip in the video, feel free to exit out right in the thumbnail. It seems like YouTube's video editing software is a viable option. However, there are two problems with it. One, you need a stable internet connection, and two, you're going to need to get a lot of files to be uploaded to YouTube. And if you're recording videos on the fly, this may prove to be a problem. Now as we go in, I can actually add in another photo. However, the photo will act like a B-roll clip, as it will play right after the first video clip is over. So as you can see, I can take the image that I've taken from the profile picture of my YouTube channel and put it right next to the video clip. And just like the B-roll clip, you can X out the thumbnail to remove the image. Now when adding audio to your video, make sure that the music can complement the video. This is to make sure that the viewer doesn't get too distracted with two competing audio sources. In order to add audio, simply click on the song and drag it to the timeline beneath the video. This helps to clear up the clutter in the video timeline. And just like before, X out the thumbnail to remove the audio. Now in doing the transitions, you want to put the transitions before or after the video clip. Now of course with Windows Movie Maker and iMovie, it would be easier to utilize the transitions from there. However, it is nice of YouTube to allow us to use the transitions at this stage in the video editing process. And as you see here, you can even determine how fast or how slow the transition can be. And just like the others, if you don't like it, exit out in the thumbnail. And for the title screens, treat them like the B-roll clip. You can put them before or after a video clip by drag and drop. And therefore, you can even edit what type of text you want in. So for example, I put in my channel name, Team Greylock, in there. It'll appear for about 4 seconds. Of course, like everything else, you can always exit out, by a thumbnail. Don't forget to click the publish button to make sure the viewers see those changes. But aside from that, that is it for the 6th episode of AlphaAlph's Small Business Guide to YouTube. I'll see you all in episode 7. Until then, take care.